What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, crypto exploded today while stocks pulled back. I want to unpack it all, man, and talk all about it. But before we do that, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure this video get at least 1,000 likes. And let me know down in the comments below moves you made on today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. I told you yesterday that we would see pullback once again to that 435 level. However, even though I played that move, I'm gonna share that in a moment. But guys, today at 10 o'clock, when Fed Powell began to speak, the market began to crash. Remember I told you guys about the SQQQ? Okay, that's the inverse. So when the market goes down, this goes up. Check this out, guys. I had the SQQ. I got this around 9:40, 9:45, right when Powell was getting ready to speak, anticipating the market was going to sell off. Guys, made a quick in and out move on today. See profit, take profit. And this even went even a little bit higher, guys, but I wasn't trying to be greedy. Once my number was hit, I just sat back, watched the plays come down, watched the market sell off, and watched the SPY come down to that 435, 434 level so that I can buy my call and then ride it up. Speaking of riding it up, we had a family member on today. He said 6K on SPY today, Chris. You the man, bought at 435. He said, I'm holding calls on AMD right now as well. Listen, guys, we had the SPY trading in what was called a chop zone today, especially after Fed Powell crashed the market for stocks. Okay, SPY was sitting down around at 434, 435, but around 2, 3 o'clock, it made this move to that round at 436, 437. I want to say major salute for anybody that took advantage of it, and more importantly, those of you that had the patience to be disciplined enough to let the play develop and take shape. Okay, trust the process, guys. With that being said, though, guys, today I want to talk to you about crypto briefly. We got Bitcoin knocking on the door of 30,000, guys. It was up over 4% on today. You currently see at the time of this, it's sitting at $29,964.16. I love to see Bitcoin leading the way. Okay, I love to see when at least our stocks are down, we can see Bitcoin making a move. Okay, and then check this out. Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH, was at $1,880.50 on the day. This one was up nearly 4% on the day, sitting at 3.82%. Again, a sight to see, with both of them approaching 30,000 and both of them approaching 2,000 respectively. Okay, it's good to see. I wanted to make sure I highlighted these moves in crypto because there's a bigger thing at play. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the stocks and how they pull back on today. Really quickly, guys, please take a look at this chart. Bring your eyes to the 200 EMA. Okay, I'm not going to draw on it today. I want you to guys to begin to fish, see the game for yourself. Okay, you should see 431.43. I want you guys to mark that level down if Fed Powell crashes the market again tomorrow. Okay, so he will speak again tomorrow around 10:30-ish. Okay, for about 3 hours. If he speaks and the market goes down again, this is an opportunity for you to ride the stock down to 431.43 on tomorrow. Then once it get to that level, be looking to ride it back up. Okay, or you can just wait patiently till it get there if it goes there, and then you can buy a call and ride it back up to where? 435. From 435 back to 436, 437-ish. Okay, it's levels. Please respect each and every level. All right, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into what we have on today. Check this out. We had the SPY, ticker symbol SPY, closed around 434.98. Right at that 435 level that I've been talking about is a level of support. Why are we closing there? Because that is a strong level of support. Yes, it will pinch through, it will go down, and if we sell off tomorrow, that will be the catalyst they use, meaning Fed Powell. He will be the catalyst they use to push it to where? 431 if we go down. However, if we done going down, 434, 435 will be that strong level support. Hopefully we can bounce off from to go where? 436 and then 437. Play it level to level before you get to trying to play too many big moves to the upside, okay? But this one was down $2.25 today, 0.5%. Okay, Tesla, this one was down huge. It sold off the minute Fed Powell got to speaking. These are the traps they set. Yesterday and after hours, they took it to 275, 278. They teased those things around only to today at 10. They crashed this down from where? We were sitting up nice at 276 this morning, okay? They used Fed Powell speech 20 minutes later to take this from 276. They took it down damn near basically $20, okay? All the way down to 257.26 at the time. It is down $14.99, basically $15, and then another $2 in after hours, all right? Just something I'm making a note of for you guys to see this healthy pullback, all right? Look for more of this on tomorrow if we don't get a bounce, and definitely look out for this around Fed Powell's talk, all right? And then guys, check this one out. This too sold off. Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, for 1452. This one was down over 7% today, or the equivalent of $1.15, and it's down a little bit more, another 12 cents in after hours, okay? These are what we call pullbacks. Remember I told you guys, a lot of these stocks are going higher. These type of days, these type of moments, I'm highlighting them today, and I'm only covering a couple, but I'll cover the scope of these over the course of the week. These type of pullbacks, when you are holding long term, are days, if they come down far enough to your entry level, you can be accumulating shares, okay? Look at it like that. I'll tell you the difference between a pullback, a sell-off, and a crash, okay? All of them are significant, but one of them serves as an opportunity for you guys to accumulate and buy shares of stocks you know, like, and love, or shares that you want to hold at least 1 to 3 years for the long term. So for instance, this one will eventually return back to $16, $17 en route to $20, okay? So those of you that were chasing, don't worry about feeling like you missed it. You will have days and times like this where something like a Palantir pulls back to now under $15, under $14.50 right now. Now you can be dollar cost averaging, and then if this comes to 14, or you know where we buy this at 12, 10 and below ideally. But it's okay to accumulate, because if you got a long-term outlook, guys, you're just amassing as many shares as you can en route to 1,000, knowing that this stock is going higher over time, okay? Trust the process, understand it's a marathon, but remember to run your race, guys. Don't get greedy, don't get too antsy, take everything in stride for me, all right? With that being said, I just want to say major salute one more time to those of you that did your thing on the day. Those of you that made money, whether it was to the upside or to the downside. It's often important to take what the market gives you. Today, a lot of stocks went down with Fed Powell, okay? A lot of stocks pulled back when he began to speak at 10 o'clock, and then he spoke for around 2 and 3 hours. So 10, 11, 12, stocks just were going down, 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 okay? And so that was a long time to digest that downward move. Okay, that's why you want to make sure you either have a game plan in place, or okay, let it hit the first level of support. If we break the first level of support, let me look at the second level of support, see if that holds up. Okay, this is how you want to assess things on your journey. Okay, but with that being said, he got one more day to talk. What I'm predicting, guys, is we may have a repeat of today. Hopefully we don't, but you always want to prepare for the worst, expect the best, okay? I'm looking for a repeat of today, tomorrow, all right? And if we do, I think, or I hope, that when he's done talking, that the market begins to rally back to the upside again, shake off all his rhetoric. We've heard it 2 days in a row now. We've been going down 3 days in a row now. That may be enough of a pullback for us to begin our move back to the upside. That is what I'm hoping for. However, it remains to be seen. Don't guess, don't gamble, react, okay? That is what you want to do. Again, stay disciplined, stay composed on the journey, wait for high quality setups if you guys are trying to trade. But for everybody else that is buying long term, use any pullback, especially if the pullback is significant enough to accumulate more shares. All right, remember Friday coming up, I'm going to share my buys with you. I'm going to show you what we are dollar cost averaging into and how we just keep buying shares on Mondays and Friday. I didn't get to buy Monday because the market was closed, so we will go shopping on Friday. You guys tap in and stick around for that, okay? Listen guys, with that being said, we're going to cut this one off. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.